Josie, it's bath time. Come on. I don't want to. We've got bath toys. Let's play ball. Shoot the ducks. Boring. Bathroom is so much fun. Let's play water park. No! Leave me alone. What is it we gotta do? I have a plan. Oh, I see. Great. Let's start getting ready. Overalls. Helmet. War paint. And tools. A robe. A towel. Eye patches. Bubble bath. Where are you headed? To the construction site in the bathroom. Whoops, I'll go change. Let's see what's new in showbiz. Bruce, watch out! Sorry, sweetheart. You scared me. Oh, a cookie. I'll have a bite. Knock yourself out. This form needs to be trimmed. Huh? Is it actually broken? Who did that? Sweetie, I'm trying to saw over here. Saw later. Boards will go over here. Tools go over here. I'll saw this down. This needs to be shorter. The ladder. Another stair. It's nice and tight. And a mattress and blanket. Perfect. I'll make a sail out of a shower curtain. Octopus, you are the captain. Whoa, Bruce, it's fantastic. There's one little piece missing. I'll turn these towels into a soft rug. Good call. Look what I've got. Let's decorate the walls with ocean stickers. This isn't it yet. LED lights. And a ship to complete the vibe. We need a steering wheel here. And the bathtub turns into a pirate ship. Land-ho! What is this? The king of mermaids himself. Hi, beautiful. Drop anchor. Gotcha! Oh! Are you okay, hon? How many fingers am I holding up? Bruce, I had an amazing dream. I'm exhausted. I need a snack and a nap. I need this bag of crackers, but I'm hungry. Aww. Like it? These are water cushions. They are soft and super nice. Let's add them to the other pillows. Beautiful! Look what I found! Coloring books. I've got markers. You don't get it. We're coloring the bathtub. Let's copy the drawings. And the bathroom turns into one big coloring book. We're a dream team! The slide is all done. It's not gonna fall. And now, let's move on to a crush test. Don't let us down now, sweetie. Show us how you go down a slide. And I'll be filming and posting it on YouTube. What's taking so long? You are not even faster than a turtle. Phew! Let's get rolling. The wax strip is on. 1, 2, 3. Nothing but splinters. Stupid wood. I have an idea. Another one. Done. 1, 2, 3. Take this. No more splinters. Where is Bruce? He forgot his overalls. One size fits all. It looks good on me. And the helmet is here. I'm Bruce. I'm smarter than you. Oh, shaving foam makes a great beard. Whoa, tools. Wow. I'm Bruce. I'm the only one who can use the tools. Samantha, you are gonna break the hammer. Just put it back. She even got a beard. What a freak. Open your eyes. Surprise. Be right back. Where are you going? She didn't like it? I got my toys. I'll put them here instead of the shampoo. Nice. Bye, parents. I can handle it myself. Scented foam. Water attack. And now I'm gonna color the ocean creatures. I don't want to leave. Whoa! What is this? A water pillow! What's going on in there? Josie, will you be out anytime soon? Occupied! We did it! This key will fit. Jeez, I'm sweaty. Samantha, help me out. Sure, babe. I'm dripping sweat. Samantha! This is unbearable. Samantha! Sweetie. You accidentally turned the water on. Whoops! Bruce, what's going on? Why is there a closet here? I need it. Of course! I can use it too. My robe was in the closet. What? Samantha already filled up all the shelves.